我们现在云雾森林，我们呢现在是去 Night Walk Tour， 因为一直在下雨，所以不知道能不能成行。然后呢，导游说没什么问题，一会儿可能雨就淅淅沥沥的小雨，然后呢我们就可以去，所以我们呢正往那边走。好，我们的 Night Walk Tour 开始了。
Okay. Oh, you guys look at this. This is a moth. It's a, come here. Let's run here. Let's go. Over there. Come here.
It seems like something.
You guys, come here. Come. Okay, come here. Come this side. I don't know if it's a moth or maybe it's better, you guys. You see that? That little.
Oh, that's a hummingbird, right?
No, that's a hummingbird, but we call it moth hummingbird. It's a diurnal butterfly.
Is it a butterfly?
Yeah, that pretends to be a hummingbird.
Oh,
Actually,
it looks like a hummingbird, but it's a.
It flies like a hummingbird. We actually call it. We call it.
Oh yeah.
Moth or nocturnal butterfly hummingbird.
But it's actually a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Yeah.
Oh.
Over here. It's over here. Again. Look at that.
Oh yeah. There's a bird on that
This
tree.
is beautiful. That's a moth. Okay, here, I can hold it. You guys have a look there.
Oh my God! How beautiful he is. Hold on.
What's the name of this bird?
Motmot.
Manmot.
Motmot. M-O-T-M-O-T.
Manmot. Okay.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh my God, it's pretty.
He is beautiful, yeah?
So
Yeah.
it's like a kind of orange belly over there, but there's a blue on the top. Of it.
Exactly, yeah.
So it's pretty.
Okay, you can go ahead if you want to try with a.
Yeah.
What? Is it a
He is slow. Yeah, how many toes? How should we know?
Is it a two-toed?
Yeah, it's the only species that we have in Monteverde.
Oh, it only has 2 toes, honey.
Oh, it doesn't have two toes.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Look, he's moving.
Half man's two toes.
He's moving. He grabbed something. He wants to move.
Well, he's eating.
We have the
ficus trees. Ficus. How many years does it take?
100 probably.
400 years. Maybe 55. And their roots goes around the other tree to strangulate them. That's why it's a hollow tree.
Oh, it's a hollow tree.
See, they strangulate the other tree. It is mostly competing for territory, competing for sunlight. They don't like to share. And some people think this is like a parasite because it kills the other trees. But the parasites are the species that are living from other trees. Actually, parasites.
这个花就像
They
眼
want
镜
to
蛇一
kill
样的
the
花
other tree. They just want to get nutrients. Right?
，rattlesnake
Because when
flower.
the parasites, the house tree dies, everybody dies. No more nutrients for them. So they have holes.
Ethan 进 Hollow Tree 了。 Ethan is stuck over there. He was stuck.
看看我在树里面，让你们看看上面。Oh, it's hollow tree.
Hummingbird over this different right here.
Already?
It's a different one.
This one?
It's called striped tail hummingbird. See? Striped tail. We haven't seen it.
太快了，飞的，啊，太快了，飞的，飞走
Fly
了。
away.
那
Hummingbird moth. Or hummingbird butterfly. See how she flies imitating a hummingbird. The smallest hummingbird that is in Cuba is called bee hummingbird. Is about this size.
Look, guys, we can see it very
The
clear.
hummingbird is the one up there. You see the violet saber wings? That's the hummingbird.
Oh yeah, this is hummingbird.
See, it's called violet saber wings. The violet saber wings.
It's very colorful. It's blue.
Lesser violet here. Lesser violet here. This is the only kind of hummingbird that we don't know if it's male or female.
Oh my god, so pretty. It's like this size, right? Mm-hmm. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
Take a picture. Ooh.
And then you saw it too. Awesome.
Oh, it's so good.
Straight up. If you get pooped on by a pretzel, it's probably good luck. Is it a different color? Yeah, it's like a dark blue. Straight up. It's like dark. Straight. You see where those two? Oh, yeah.
Take some photos too. Oh, this one is so close.
Brianna, where's it?
Yeah, they're a little dark. There's another one.
De hecho andan tres y andan dos adultos, bueno, dos machos.
The beak is green color too,
See,
right?
video is better because the branches are moving so much.
I mean, the beak is a green color too, right?
See, like brown and yellowish color.
Inside, hurry! Hurry! 在你们门口啊 ！Slow down, slow down. 在你们门口。对对 ，Come on. He's inside. He's inside.
Raccoon. Rabbit raccoon.
Like the one we saw yesterday.